Hello, I'm Lou Steiner, publisher of Atlantic City Weekly. We're here today at Showboat at Scarduzio's restaurant, and we're getting ready to learn all about their buffet.
Good morning. My name is Chris Ballo. I'm the executive chef here at Showboat, and today we're in Scarduzio's doing our Sunday brunch. We have a huge spread that we do every Sunday. We have things like you can see behind me, possibly our Bloody Mary bar that's very popular. Chef Chris Scarduzio has come up with very cool creations for that. We have a large spread. We have fresh seafood, oysters, clams, and shrimp. We have our sushi display, which is a bunch of different rolls and sashimi. And we have made-to-order pancakes, made-to-order waffles, different flavors, as many as you can think of. Carved prime rib, carved rack of lamb. Today we have a cool special carved item. It's a small roasted ham from a fresh ham. We also have a selection of hot items, salmon, chicken primavera. We have filet mignons on the buffet today. So it's awesome. We have a charcuterie board, some heirloom tomatoes, and a beautiful salad setup. So we also have a grand dessert display. Our pastry chef, Deb Pellegrino, makes this huge display. We probably have, I would say, and I'm looking at it, I'm saying we have probably 40 different dessert items to choose from today. Most popular foods everybody likes, of course, our prime rib. It's one of our specialty things. It's prime, and the rack of lamb. Also the seafood section, the clams and oysters, and the sushi. People are big fans of that. We get a big hit on the omelet station. I know I didn't touch on that before, but omelets are a big deal here. People like the selection of ingredients that we have. Cake pops, people think are fun, easy to eat. We have a lot of chocolate things. Deb is really into doing things with chocolate. So today we feature some chocolate-filled dice. We have these chocolate fudge cookies. And we're also serving during the week, of course, our prime dry-aged steaks, New Yorks and ribeyes, and our rolled made-to-order sushi. You need to come out and join us during the week. Our hours of operation are Thursday through Sunday. On Sundays and Thursdays, we're open from 5:30 to 10. On Friday and Saturday, we're open until 11, 5:30 to 11. Sunday brunch, we're open from 10 to 2.